Hello and welcome to a new video of the Jenkins series. And because in the last series we talked about post build and job scheduling, today I want to talk about something different, and let's get into it. We want to talk about build triggers. Let's go to build triggers tutorial. Okay, freestyle project, nothing new. So what does it really mean? So you have here in the build triggers, you have 4 options. As you can see here on the screen, you can trigger it via an URL of the Jenkins, for example, on another Jenkins or from another machine, but you need to put the authentication token. We're not gonna talk about that. This is the section that we are gonna tackle today. This is the build after other projects are built, which means your job will look for the job mentioned here. In this case will be make test folder 2. I think this was the second one, and trigger if only build is stable, unstable, or fails. Build periodically. You already know this is job scheduling. We talked about it in the last video. So without further ado, let's do this. So we need to do something in this build. Let's create a new folder, for example, and let's say 22nd July, because it's 11 p.m. So let's just do this. As you can see, now we have 3 Jenkins jobs which do the following. This is the test bash file, and if you remember from the previous, this has a post build action which has projects to build, make test folder 2, build only project is stable, and make test folder 2 actually does nothing, has nothing set up, it just creates a new folder. And the build triggers tutorial, which we were talking today, will only run if the build fails, because I didn't set the command to delete the folder, so the folder will already be there when the new job runs and it will fail. So let's see. As you can see here, if you look here, you have the upstream projects, which is the project he's gonna be looking at. And let's start. If we run this one, it will run this one, and this one will look for this one when it runs, and it will trigger it. Let's go. Build now, build scheduled. Let's get back. Last success. It's still running. It ran, so now it's running, as you can see, also here and also here. It's running the second one, which failed, and now it's running the third job as expected, because this is the link that we did, and this one just ran. And let's see, why did it failed? Okay, console output. And see here, system cannot run program as such. Okay, maybe I did something wrong. Build triggers tutorial. Okay, running a system. Let's just see. The fact is, the job ran successfully. It didn't create the folder, but that's another story. So we're gonna leave it at that for now. So this video was about build triggers, and as you can see here, how you can easily do this. One downside that this has, for example, if you go back here, the build after other projects are built, you can only select one. So you gotta choose when it's stable, unstable, or fails. You cannot have all the options. Okay, now let's get back, because one more thing I want to show you, if we're still talking about build triggers and so on, and jobs, managing jobs. There are several ways you can edit your Jenkins job. For example, you have here this drop down which goes to changes, workspace, build now, configure, delete project, rename, and so on. Let's say, for example, I want to see what's the workspace for this one, and just click here, workspace, and you can see this is the folder that he created and should be deleted, but I didn't write the command to delete it. For example, in this one, this is the test bash file, I just ran it again, this will create a folder and then it will delete a folder. So let's see if we go here and we go to workspace, there should be no files as expected because everything was deleted. So this is how you get faster navigation within Jenkins. Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comment section what would you like to see next. I'm gonna build also a versioning system. I need to still figure out should I go with Git or SVN. It's still on my mind, but it will be done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.